Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host for tonight, Miss Victoria Leslie Ingram.
Good evening, everyone! Friends, family, supporters, and fans of Ginoong Pilipinas Cebu 2019 and 80 Models Philippines. By the way, I am Victoria Leslie Ingram, your host for tonight. And this is Fusion, the fashion show and talents night. Are you all excited to witness our future modern day heroes? I don't feel the energy. Are you ready? That's it, and I hope you keep that energy all throughout the show. Tonight, we officially stage the first leg of this big search as these gentlemen show off their talents only here at the events at Soltana, the biggest and newest venue here in Lapulapu City, Cebu. And of course, we would like to thank the Taft Property Venture Development Corporation for sponsoring GPC, this lovely event venue. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Folks, this is not just any night. This is an ensemble of music, dance, fashion, beauty, and talent. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get it on as we start the show with the new young and aspiring talents of Cebu's pioneer modeling agency, 80 Models Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the 80 models, kids and teens. models are wearing the creation of Mr. Dexter Alasas of 80 Modeling Agency. The models are wearing the creations of Mr. Dexter Alasas of 80 Models.
hear through the grapevine. Empty-minded music.
Hey, yo, listen, slow down.
Do you actually think Marvin would be gay if he heard what I hear through the grapevine? Empty-minded music.
Once again, congratulations to our new 80 models. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Congratulations. Not all heroes wear capes. They wear their heart outs on every passion they put on. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our future modern day heroes of Ginoong Pilipinas Cebu 2019 together with the Link Dance Group of MDF Productions. A round of applause, please. candidates of Ginoong Pilipinas Cebu 2019.
James Kabuya, 19.
Will Ramos, 19. Kensley Horan, 24. Nacha, 18. Lauren Viva, 20. Francis Revillas, 19.
Jose Nazari and Cordes, 19.
Dante Cajegas Tompong, 21. OJ Stologa, 23. Gerald Flores, 21. Benji Trozo, 19. Brian Jade Marchand, 22. Malagar Alexis, 20. Edward Quinby Alonso, 21. Lorenzo Isip, 20. Eric Visser, 21.
There you have it, our official candidates of Ginoong Pilipinas Cebu 2019. A round of applause, please. All right, once again, let's give these young, dashing men a round of applause, please. All right. Now that you've finally had a glimpse of these young men, it's time to get to know our board of judges for the talent competition. Our first judge is Visayas Mindanao OIC, Business Development Head of Taft Property Venture Development Corporation. Please welcome Mr. Eric Gregor Tan. Our second judge is a fourth generation owner of Titay's Niluan Resquillos and Delicacies. Owner of MDF Productions. Graduated in Southern California in Mass Communication and Theater Arts. Please welcome Miss Margo Frasco. Thank you so much. Our third judge is a unit manager, trainer and events manager at Filipino Homes. Please welcome Miss Mirza Dagtia. Our last judge is former model and actor, co-founder of Professional Models Association of the Philippines, is a drug abuse advocate. Please welcome Mr. Lito Gruet. Now, this is the most awaited part because our candidates will show off their talents. Once again, this is Ginoong Pilipinas Cebu 2019 Talent Competition, starting with candidate number 1.
Ako di ay si James Gabuya, candidate number 1. This pageant is not just about face and body, but also the character and the personality. And most importantly, what matters is your advocacy. I am a guitarist and a band member. Although, I only sing in the shower. And I'm joining this pageant as an advocacy promoter. Kasagaran karon sa mga batanon, dili na kabo mo appreciate og bisdak nga music. So my advocacy is promoting tourism through Cebuano music. Ladies and gentlemen, mao kini ang kanta para kaninyo. Soroy Soroy by Missing Philemon. Ipaagi lang og lakbay-lakbay, patid labay-labay. Sa latang nga gamay, ang mga kahilayan ngaming lumay. Kang dudong uginday, ruyon niya sa tung katawa. Tanawon taog may kalipay pa. Sa iyo sa buntag sugod na paglakaw, kayang adlaw sa imong panit di pa sakit. Ang kadalanan sa atong dagbayan, hubot paslukot, pasin kag maugmaan. Ayaw baya o pagmahay, ayaw bayag ing nga waka kaangay, kayang makita mo migo, kaugalingon mo. Dalan kulon gamay lang yun dihapon, ang gazining sunog, balay na ron sa buyog. May mga bata naghingos ug butos, abi ni mo pansit, apan di ay papilit. Di gusto o paring Jones Avenue, you gotta say it cool, mura pug Amerikano, but you're American Express. Gigawat sa pulis. Diri sa syudad sa Cebu, makita nimo ang mga lugar nga nindot kaayo. Pero likod ani nga mga palibot, makita nimo ang hugaw o gubod. Pero kini dali ra sulbaron, kay kita tatak Cebuanon. Sa 20 ka magic man, kayo sahay sa larsyan, magsakit ang tiyan. Si Idol Lorna o diba si Faye, ang pagdasa tigaw, maaan ka nga bugaw. Di gusto pa rin Jones Avenue, you gotta say it cool, mura pug Amerikano. The girls will need the money soon, finals na puho. Paagi lang og lakbay-lakbay, patid labay-labay. Sa latang nga gamay, ang mga kahilayan ngaming lumay. Kang dudungugin dahil luyo niya sa tung katawa. Tanawon taog may kalipay pa. Mga Cebuanon, let's all support and love Cebuano music. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Next up is candidate number 2, Earl Jude Ramos.
Hey guys, it's your boy Lovato Avocado, back here with another banger. If you like to dance, get on your feet right now. We finna get lit. Hey, 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 hey. Lean with it, dab with it, hit them folk now stab with it. Nay, then you stop, then you hit the molly bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it, hit them folk now stab with it. Nay, then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it, hit them folk now stab with it. Nay, then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it, hit them folk now stab with it. Nay, then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Step to the right now, step to the left. Slide to the right now, slide to the left. Go grab your friend, make sure you got breath. Alright, y'all. Since y'all just learned how to do the avocado step, go grab a friend. Let's do it again. Hey, let go. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them folk now, stab with it. Nay, then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them folk now, stab with it. Nay, then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them folk now, stab with it. Nay, then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. Lean with it, dab with it. Hit them folk now, stab with it. Nay, then you stop, then you hit that molly bob with it. ATLANTA, Atlanta, Georgia song. Woo! BAHAMA, Bahamas 242 song. Yeah! ATLANTA, Atlanta, Georgia song. If you like it, then just sing along. Yeah. Hey, y'all.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Next up, candidate number 3, Kensley Jordan.
There's only you in my life, the only thing that's right. My first love, your every breath that I take, your every step I make. given half a chance. I have never seen that dress you're wearing, or the highlights in your hair that catch your eye. I have been blind, lady in red.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Let's welcome candidate number 4, Jaron Acha.
What the hell that be?
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a faded. On some faded love. What the you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Get white horse in the carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. Feel a little more, give a little less. Now you hit the compass, but baby, who you needed me. You've been rolling around, rolling up. Let her roll it up. Break it down like a punch, would never us. Would never us. That's the real on the real, are you serious? How you feel, how you feel? Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I'll give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. Don't get you was just another on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Get white horse in the carriage. But you never could imagine. Never thought you could have it. You needed me. Ooh, you needed me. Feel a little more, give a little less. Now you hit the canvas, but baby, who you need?
Thank you so much. Candidate number 4, please welcome candidate number 5, Doran Chiba. Thank you so much, candidate number 5. Please welcome candidate number 6, Francis Penny Torrevillas.
Hello. Put some music on the soft, let's go. Maybe we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about you all day long. Never felt the feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. There's no hurry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer, let's go over what I had in mind. Maybe lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on the soft and slow. Maybe we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about you all day long. Never felt the feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. Ain't nobody, love nobody way that I love you. Come alone now, you don't know how long I've wanted to. Let me lock the door and turn the lights down low. Put some music on the soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about you all day long. Never felt a feeling that was quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. Next up
Good
is
evening, everyone.
Mr. Dan Cajegas.
So my talent is I'll be doing a monologue entitled "Crazy." Define crazy. Do I look crazy to you? How do you know what crazy is? Have you ever been crazy? I've never been crazy. I don't know what crazy is. Am I crazy? Why do you think I'm crazy? Just because of what happened to me? Do you even know what happened to me? Or do you just know what it says on that paper? Lost 2 children in fire. Know what it says. Know what it means. Do you know what it means? How could you? Were you there that day? Did you see my life go to hell in a matter of seconds? Did you ever see my girls? Ever? Then how do you know what happened to me? Now let me help you understand a little bit better on that paper. I had everything that life could have ever wanted. Loving wife, a beautiful house, and wonderful children. I have my twins, Betty and Maggie. They could brighten up the worst day. But then the fire came. It happened so fast. I think it was just a dream. I wish it was just a dream. I found my children upstairs playing with the box of matches. I took the matches. I took it and hid them. I know I did. But there's one matches that I have missed one. Now, doctor, am I crazy? Define crazy. What is crazy? Is crazy losing your child by just a single piece of matches? Is that crazy? No, I'm not crazy. But you know what is? They found the bodies of my innocent baby. Why them? Why not me? They were just 3 years old yet. I am old. I have lived long enough life in this world. Now you're thinking that I'm crazy. Now, doctor, who's crazy? Me or you? Not me. It must be you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Dan Cajegas. Please welcome candidate number 9, Jose Cortez.
If you know the song, just sing with me. When marimba rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like a lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more. Like a flower bending in the breeze, bend with me, sway with me. Make me feel as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now. Other dancers may be on the floor, dear, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have the magic technique. When we sway, I go weak. I can hear the sound of violins long before it begins. Make me thrill as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now. Other dancers will be on the floor. Dear, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have the magic technique. When we sway, I go weak. I can hear the sound of violins long before it begins. Make me thrill as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now. Like a flower bending in the breeze, bend with me, sway with me. Like a lazy ocean as the shore, hold me close, sway more. Marimba start to play, hold me close, make me sway. When an audience has the shore, hold me close, sway me more.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 9, Mr. Jose Cortez. Please welcome candidate number 11, Orlando James Estologa.
Sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man, ikaw ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kahit maputi ng buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang ating pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi ang buhok ko. La 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 la, la la la, la 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 la. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nang sa'yo upang kaya ibigin mo. Kahit maputi ng buhok ko. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 11. Please welcome candidate number 12, Gerald Flores.
Don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to rule my world. Ain't a particular time I'm more compatible with. I just wanted your extra time. gotta not talk dirty, baby, just to impress. You gotta not talk flirty, mama, if you wanna undress me. Let me be your fantasy, baby, you could be mine. You just leave it all up to me, and baby, we could have a good time. You don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to rule my world. Ain't no particular type I'm more compatible with. I just wanted your extra challenge or kiss, but dance now. Women and girls, rule my world. You better rule my world. At your age, mama, not your suicide. Maybe we could dance before. You don't need experience to wanna dress. You gotta give it all up to me. Come, baby, my love is your food. You don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to rule my world. Ain't a particular size I'm more compatible with. I just wanted your extra challenge or kiss.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 12, please welcome candidate number 13, Brgy James
I want to
Trozo.
showcase to you Reborn, how I ran away in the past, and how catchy it is to a woman because they catch their souls and heart. Puso pa ba ang harana? Marahil ikaw ay nagtataka. Sino ba to? Mukhang gago, nagkandara pa sa pagkanta na nasisintunado sa kaba. Meron pang dalang mga rosas, suot na may maong nakupas. At nariyan pa ang barkada, nakaporma nakabarong sa awiting daig pang -1 ang singalong. Puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw, giliw. At sa awitin kong ito, sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana para sa'yo. Hindi ba't parang isang sine, isang pelikulang romantiko? Hindi ba't ikaw yung bidang artista at ako ang yung leading man sa istoryang nagwawakas sa pag-ibig na wagas? Puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw, giliw at sa awitin kong ito, sana'y maibigan mo. Ibubuhos ko ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana para sa'yo. Para sa'yo.
Thank you so much, candidate number 13. Next up is candidate number 14, Brian Marshall.
Babanam ke walam, babanam ke walam,
magkaugnay. Ang lahat ng bagay ay magkaugnay. Magkaugnay ang lahat. Ang lahat ng bagay ay magkaugnay. Magkaugnay ang lahat. Ang lahat ng bagay ay magkaugnay. Magkaugnay ang lahat. Ang lahat ng bagay ay magkaugnay. Magkaugnay ang lahat.
So much, candidate number 14. Please welcome candidate number 15, Alexis Malagar.
Look at her and have a smile. We go driving for a while. Her blowing in the open window of my car, and as we go, I see the light. What's some glimmer in her eyes in the darkness of the evening? That I've got all that I need right here in the passenger seat. When I can keep her on the road, knowing that she's inches from me. Stop to get something to drink. In my heart and I can't think. Scared to death, say I love her. Then a moon picks from the clouds. In my heart it beats so loud. Try to tell her simply that I've got all that I need right here in the passenger seat. Oh, and I can keep her on the road, knowing that she's inches from me. Ooh, and I know that this love goes. Look at her and have a smile as we go driving for a while. Hair blowing in the open window of my car. And as we go, I see the light with some glimmer in her eyes in the darkness of the evening. And I've got all that I need right here in the passenger seat. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 15. Next up is candidate number 16, Edward Duhay Lungsod.
One love that forever lay out in front of one smile. Then I die, only to be revived by you. There I was, thought I had everything figured out, and goes to show just how much I know about the way life lays out. I'll take one step away, and I find myself coming back to you, my one and only, one and only you. Now I know that I know not a thing at all, except the fact that I am yours and that you are mine. Whoa, you told me that this wouldn't be easy, and no, I'm not one to complain. I'll take one step away, then I find myself coming back to you, my one and only, one and only you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 16. Please welcome candidate number 17, Lorenzo Isip.
The following performance is a dance drama depicting the importance of sports wellness vis-a-vis substance abuse. Ladies and gentlemen, anchored on his advocacy, sports, wellness, tourism, here's candidate number 17, Lorenzo Isip, interpreting the song Paglaom. Because hope is when we say no to drugs and yes to sports.
Kung kami matumpawag gayon sa pagdanining panahon, nakahulat nga tabangan mo man paghawas ning kasalanan.
so much, candidate number 17. Next up is candidate number 18, Eric Visser.
I am Eric Leonard Visser, half Dutch but a full-fledged Filipino, presenting to you a cultural dance of the mountain province of the Philippines, a definition of true heroism.
Tan kanigan ganason di kultura ang dilubong ugaya kinatikar kan respeto dayaw kan kinapudno.
Thank you so much, candidate number 18. That was indeed amazing performances from our very talented Cebuanos. Are you still alive and kicking? Are you still alive and kicking? That is right. So without further ado, we will witness our dashing candidates wearing the outfits created by our very own top Cebu designers. Once again, here are our candidates of Ginoong Pilipinas Cebu 2019 for their menswear fashion show. A round of applause, please. Here are the creations of Alejandro Godinez. Mike Yap Ching. Mel Maria. Ray Escario. Brandon Sanon. Danny Buo. Dexter Alasas. Once again, here are candidates of Ginoong Pilipinas Cebu 2019 wearing the creations of our top Cebu designers.
Hey, yo, listen, it's going down.
Do you actually think Marvin would be gay if he heard what I hear through the grapevine? Empty-minded music.
Hey, yo, listen, it's going down.
Do you actually think Marvin would be gay if he heard what I hear through the grapevine? Empty-minded music.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our candidates of Ginoong Pilipinas Cebu 2019, wearing the creations of our very own Cebu top designers. Let's give them a round of applause. And also to our designers. And now we will be proceeding to the awardings of our candidates. Our first award is Best in Social Entrepreneurship Involvement. Please step forward. Mr. Lorenzo Isip. Round of applause, please. Congratulations, thank you so much. Our next award is Best in Socialization at Inferno Party for a Cause. Congratulations, Mr. Joran Chiba. Thank you so much and congratulations. We'll proceed to our next awards. For JCI Awards, this is candidate number 1. Congratulations. for Mr. Filipino Homes is candidate number 2. Congratulations. Congratulations, sir. Our next award is Best in Runway. Our Best in Runway is candidate number 12. Please step forward. Congratulations. This will be presented by Nipper Kaintor. Congratulations, candidate number 12. Thank you so much. Congratulations, candidate number 12. And we have 3 candidates who will be awarded with Best in Talent. Congratulations, candidate number 6, Francis Kenny Torrevillas. The award will be presented by Mr. Eric Gregor Tan. Let's give them another round of applause, please. Congratulations. Another Best in Talent is candidate number 18, Eric Vicer. You will be presented with the award by Mr. Lito Gruet. Give him another round of applause, please. Congratulations. You are in the top 3 for Best in Talent. Candidate number 17, Mr. Lorenzo Isip. The award will be presented by Miss Mirza Taikiao. Request all the awardees to please step forward. Congratulations to our top 3 for the Best in Talent. Let's give them a round of applause once again. They are truly talented, all of them. While they're doing their photo op, I would like to thank the following sponsors for making this event possible. Events at Soltana, JCI Mactan Channel, Filipino Homes, The Pyramid, Links by MDF Productions. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us tonight in this fashion show and talents night for Ginoong Pilipinas Cebu 2019. Once again, I am Victoria Leslie Ingram, your host for tonight, saying good night.
Thank you.